So the aesthetics for me probably weren't a primary factor initially. My wife was certainly interested in what it would look like on the house, and she didn't want it to be an eyesore. Some of them are like an all black, so they blend in really well to a dark roof, and others have those traditional sort of white lines that you see on other panels. But look, in the end, we were after something that did look reasonable and of a good quality, because it is facing the street, and we liked the way the panels looked. And we think they've blended in really well with the home. More and more now you drive around, most houses you see, or a lot of houses you see, actually have solar panels. So I think the days of going past and going, oh my God, look at those solar panels on a house, are sort of becoming fewer and far between. It's not so unusual anymore. But I think it's actually complemented our house quite well, and to me it's a selling point as well. It's a decent system we've got put on with quite a big capacity. So for anyone, if we were looking to sell one day, I think it would be a real selling point for the home. Anything that reduces your need to rely on a grid entirely, to me, makes a lot of sense. And in a climate like ours, Australia, where we do get such a lot of sunshine, it sort of doesn't make sense not to use one of the greatest assets we've got in the sun. So I think solar will become more and more popular. Yeah, I'm sure as electric vehicles and the technology improves and they roll that out into other devices or appliances, who knows? So I think there's definitely a lot of development to see in the future.